everyone, welcome to Create Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make vegan Yaki Udon. Yaki Udon is a basic udon noodle dish which you can make with leftover vegetables in your fridge or any vegetables available. We usually make this dish with meat or seafood. However, this time I didn't use any, and oh my gosh, it turned out really delicious, which I didn't expect. So if you're looking for any vegan Yaki Udon recipe, please follow this recipe. It's going to be absolutely delicious and it makes your day. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. You can use any vegetables you like. If you have no idea what to use, I have a list of vegetables in the description box, so please check it out. Now you need 2 packages of fresh udon noodles. Wash to release the noodles. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add vegetables and cook until tender. Then add udon noodles. Kombu Dashi is kelp dashi. It's a vegan option. Then add soy sauce, pepper if you like, serve on a dish. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. 落ちた。
食べれない。もう食べたって。このタケノコになってる。
そうそうそう。チュル。そう、上手。
おいしい。
お肉と野菜どっちが美味しかった？
こっち。
こっち美味しかった？
めっちゃ大きい。ちょっと待って。
はい。
みんなちょっと待って。ハートのやつだよ。
今日リボンでしょ。